This little box is a complete toolkit for everyday adventures. Compact enough to carry anywhere and capable enough for pretty much anything you can throw at it. Let's dive in. Initially, we designed the adventure kit to be a comprehensive, multifunctional, worst-case scenario survival kit. Each component meticulously designed and tested in the most extreme environments, and specifically made to fit inside of our cash belt's hidden pocket. That way, it's always with you, travel, hiking, every day, so you'll always have it when you need it because it's literally attached to you. But here's the thing, it's not just for emergencies, and it's not just for the cash belt or cash cap. The adventure kit's built to be your trusty sidekick for all of life's curveballs, whether you're patching gear on a trip, starting a fire in the rain, or strapping down a loose part. There's just way too many components to cover them all, but here's a few of the ultra compact, custom designed tools meant to be carried anywhere, so you can be ready for anything. A non-metallic, super sharp blade, made in the USA. Flashlight, ultra thin, 400-pound Technora cord. If you haven't heard of Technora cord, it is quite literally one of the strongest ropes in the world, nay, the universe. And a 1-liter water bag. You can actually boil water in the bag. And other than shelter, it's pretty much everything you need to make it a few days if you're just dropped off in the middle of the world with nothing but the clothes in your back and an adventure kit in your pocket.